Located in southern Oregon's Applegate Valley, the Benton Family Ranch offers 113 acres of usable land with open pastures, mature trees, and Williams Creek frontage. The property supports grazing, hay production, and a range of other uses. Set in a private valley, the pastures are framed by mature trees and backed by views of the distant mountains. Excellent recreational opportunities, including horseback riding, hiking, and hunting. The main home is a sprawling ranch-style residence, well-maintained and ready for updating. Its layout includes oversized bedrooms, large living spaces, great storage and utility, plus a guest studio. Situated with mature trees and landscaping, great views, and privacy. A second home offers flexibility for guests, income, or a full-time ranch hand. Outbuildings include a historic barn, horse barn, hay barn, and multiple other structures, providing the infrastructure for animals and day-to-day ranch operations. This ranch offers a great mix of land and improvements, making it a great opportunity for the discerning buyer.